Introduce key features of Thermaltake LCGS View i1460-170 Gaming Desktop. The Thermaltake LCGS View i1460-170 gaming PC redefines mid-range performance and visual elegance, blending advanced hardware with sleek design to deliver a premium computing experience. At its core lies the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, engineered to handle demanding multitasking and gaming workloads with efficiency and speed. Paired with the Intel B760 chipset motherboard, this system ensures stable performance and long-term reliability for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Graphics power is driven by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, enabling smooth, realistic gameplay with cutting-edge ray tracing and DLSS support. From fast-paced shooters to graphically intensive open-world adventures, this GPU provides stunning visuals and responsive performance. Complementing the graphics power is 16 GB of DDR5, 6000 MT/s RGB memory, ensuring lightning-fast data processing and smooth multitasking, while the 1 TB NVMe M.2 SSD delivers rapid boot times and ample storage for games, media, and applications. Encased in a modern tempered glass chassis, the Thermaltake LCGS View i1460-170 showcases its internal components in style, enhanced by a Tower RGB air cooler that not only keeps temperatures low but also adds a vibrant aesthetic touch to your setup. The case features PSU power cover with filtered ventilation and vertical side-mounted radiator support for optimized airflow and easy maintenance. Connectivity is equally thoughtful, with 2 USB 3.0 ports, headphone and microphone jacks, and built-in Wi-Fi, offering flexibility for both wired and wireless setups. Running on Windows 11, this PC is ready for the next generation of gaming and productivity software, delivering a seamless, modern user experience. The Thermaltake LCGS View i1460-170 is more than a gaming PC, it's a showcase of power, precision, and presentation. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, it stands as a centerpiece of performance and design, built to inspire and impress. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.